Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I made this easy and adorable tic-tac-toe on the go. It is so simple to make and inexpensive as well. I basically went to the Dollar Tree and grabbed a couple of the supplies there, and I was able to make this, and it's a perfect gift for your kids or for your significant other if they're really into tic-tac-toe. So these are the materials I'm going to be using. I found this box at the Dollar Tree, and I know it has a little owl, but I'm going to cover that up with the heart. I'm also going to be using ribbon. I ended up using a different one. I'm going to be using also these pebbles I found at the Dollar Tree, and they're heart-shaped. They're really cute, and I got them in 2 colors because I'm going to be using them to make the things for the tic-tac-toe. And also these bags here and paint. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna start painting the box. I'm gonna do a coat or 2 of this red paint all over, and then I know you can still see the holes in the owl, but that's okay. We're gonna cover it. I just think this box is pretty cool, and they had one that didn't have the owl, but I figure would look better. So I use the Cricut to cut these tic-tac-toe and X and O's. You can actually draw these if you don't have a Cricut, and it'll still work the same. You just get a pen that can draw over the paint. A metallic one will look cool. And I'm just gonna weed all the cutouts because I'm using the Cricut to make this project. So I'm gonna go ahead and have everything ready and cut these parts. I'm gonna use contact paper so I can get them out, and I found my contact paper at Dollar Tree as well. So I'm gonna remove the X's and O's, and these I'm gonna use them for the hearts. So one is gonna be X's and the other ones are going to be O's. That way they can be played in this game. So let me go ahead and add these. The red hearts are going to be X's and the pink hearts are going to be O's. And once you have those ready, I'm going to put this tic-tac-toe in my black heart. This is going to be on top of the box just to signal, well, this is a game. So I'm going to go ahead and add this here and just make sure to center it. And just attach it just make it stick in there and remove the film so it doesn't stay in there. Now the next step, I got a little bit of burlap and I cut it around the heart so I can put it on top and cover that owl. And for the hole, I just put a little burlap bow, simple bow that I made, and the inside I'm gonna cover it with vinyl, but it was just a piece of scrap vinyl that I have. But you can also use paper or paint it however you want. I just wanted to cover it, and I'm gonna take away the grid for the tic-tac-toe, and I'm gonna put it in here. You can use a Sharpie or any other thing that you want to use to paint it. I just decided to use this because it's easy and the lines were gonna be straight, especially because it's a small area. So I'm gonna place it here, try to make it as straight as I can, and once I have that, remove the film, and you are pretty much done with this. It's a pretty simple little gift that you can give to your family, your friends, or you can use it as party favors too. Put them in the table all together, all the little boxes, and it's gonna look adorable. So it comes with a bunch of hearts, so you won't have to buy a lot of them, which is great. And now they're ready to play. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. These are the little baggies to separate them. I made these, but you can also find little baggies at the store if you want. I just thought, oh well, I didn't buy them, so I'm gonna make them with the burlap I had left, and I'm just gonna put them inside the boxes. That way they don't get mixed up or lost. And close the box and it's ready. I put it also in my bookcase and it's showcasing there, so it's a little bit of decoration as well. And this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and check the other videos for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.